we saw in earlier lecture what is map, reduce and filter API in a stream. And now our next question is, what type of data is there in the new stream? We are printing all over like a new stream, doing all the jobs on the stream. So let's check out what is type of data, what it is returning whenever you do a new stream, or whenever you are iterating over a collection with a stream, what is the data type. So let's go to Eclipse. I will create a new class for this. So stream operation example, create a main, copy a same list, java.util arrays java.util. okay, so how to create a stream, dot stream, right? And what it is returning, it is returning a stream of a student, right? So if you want to define, assign it with one variable, then it is a stream of a student and this stream is Java8 stream. Okay, so this is the stream. Now let's do one more example on the stream. Like we got this stream, now do a filter. Can I rename it to stream so it will be easy to know? So let's do a filter. What we did earlier, we were passing a student as variable and getting student dot get age, and we were checking if it's greater than 21 or not, and that was our filter. What is filter returning? Filter is again returning a stream of student, right? So let's do the same way, and this is a filter stream. As it's we cannot define two times the same thing in lambda. Okay, so this is done because student is object here. Sorry, student is a variable there also. So let's try to print out the filter stream, because what happened, you create one stream and you filter the output, right? Filter the input based on the criteria, that is age should be greater than 21. So what is expected? 22, 30, 35, right? Let's run it. You can see if it's a list of a student, so just to compare, let's print this. So just to explain you, right? So what is here, this is package.student and this is the actual value, right? All you reference, right? But here you can see it's a reference pipeline. It's nothing, there is no object printed. It should be what we were expecting, at least 3 out of 4 to be printed here, right? But it's a stream reference pipeline. It's just a reference, nothing in it, no value, right? And you can see here it has a reference to the list has all the 4 elements to that. That means stream doesn't hold any data. This streams doesn't hold any data. This is just a declaration and no data is processed yet. In next lecture we will see more about this filter operation, why it is not printing any data though we are trying to print it.